Hello Explorer, it's Nat from the Traveling Foxes, and for this scenic video, we'll be taking the car and driving around natural tourist spots that you can visit in Dumaguete. As most of you fellow explorers know, I'm from Cebu, and Dumaguete is almost a stone throw away from my hometown. It'll be my first time to really explore the area and also show you guys places that you can visit when you are here. Let's begin the adventure.
Notice, Dumaguete has no traffic lights. Like we've been driving, I don't remember seeing even one traffic light. It's very strange.
I guess it's still really a small town compared to like Cebu and other places.
But still, like there's a sufficient amount of vehicles to require traffic lights, you know? We're playing chicken all the time to cross lang ba intersections.
You think nobody's ever thought of the things you think about when you're alone and it feels. You think you're crazy, but everybody's the same. Afraid you're different, scared you can't handle reality. You can't understand it, trying to manage, repair the damage. A couple steps but in slow motion, a couple distant in oceans like that. Thought that it would heal you, but it's poison.
Alright, we have made it to Pulang Bato, 30-minute drive, and it started to sprinkle a little bit, and there's a bit of thunder, and the view here is so nice even from the parking lot. It just gives you that whole nature vibes. Smells of leaves burning, very province. I love it. How much is it per head?
Pila per head?
180 ang senior.
80 is senior. So senior's discount.
Ooh, what timing! Started raining really strong, but hopefully it just passes. But look at this view, man. It's so nice. Anyway, we're here to swim, so might as well no need to cover up.
Yeah? Let me feel with my feet.
Are you going to backflip?
No, I'll do a front dive with my fat belly. Yeah.
Had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody He's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are
Alright, we are heading to the next spot now. But if you guys come to Pulang Bato, it's actually a really nice spot to spend the whole day. There's so much to do. There's food everywhere. There's a cafe upstairs. There are 2 swimming pools. And yeah, so many cottages that you guys can rent. There's a lot of parking spots. And entrance fee is only 100 pesos per person. And for seniors, it's 80 pesos. So yeah, totally worth it. I would recommend it. Just be wary that there's no lifeguards on duty. You swim at your own risk. Unfortunately today we couldn't swim in Pulang Bato because it was raining, and you know, when it's raining there's a chance of flash floods, or the current's also really strong, so better safe than sorry. Right now, since the waterfalls was a little bit cold, we're gonna go and head over to the Pulang Bato hot springs. Why'd you order so much food?
Just to taste the food here. It's good or not.
How'd you know your mom's Filipino? When she buys food every stop.
I know. Dear, open oy. This is why my
Open,
belly
oy.
looks like this now. It's all mama's fault.
Food everywhere.
Ay, sayang man, malabay.
Our next stop is probably like less than 10 minutes drive. So, oh look, we got our robes from the hotel. It's really cozy. You just drive the second drive on the way home.
she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rooms. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no.
The only thing we really need to bring here is cash and camera. So apparently, it said that you have to be ready to get your swimsuits broken when you swim here because there's a lot of sulfur. Anyway, my bikinis from Shopee, I probably bought it for like 500 pesos or something. I didn't wear anything special today. So entrance fee here in the hot spring is 100 pesos per head, and then for seniors is 20% off.
'Cause these are dream rooms. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that she could rely. All the little lies to tell yourself it right. Never get on, it's always right. Making the play, being the play. She is unruly.
This place is really nice, and I just finished swimming in one of the pools. And what I noticed is it really smells like rust. But I think that's the sulfur that gives it that smell. Let's go and check the second pool. Alright, now we are done and we're gonna make our way back to Dumaguete. We're kind of full from all the food we've been eating. So we're not sure if we're gonna stop in Dumaguete to eat something or maybe go straight to the hotel. Let's see where we end up. Alright guys, we're just doing a random stop in the middle of a highway because there's a random airplane. That's this place looks actually fully abandoned, no? And this is supposed to be maybe, or are they still building?
I don't know if they're still building or... I don't think they're building. It was abandoned. Wouldn't they close the place off if they were building?
Maybe.
There's an hollow block there.
Yeah, looks like they were gonna build something cool here. Anyway, I'm gonna close the vlog here. Once again, thank you guys for watching another one of my videos. I do a lot of adventures, travels, beaches, and even paddle around the Philippines and around the world, but mostly Philippines because I haven't been traveling out of the country much. But if you would want to help and support my channel, I have now memberships, and if not, I also have super likes, and you can check it out as well. I have some merchandise like the hat I was showing earlier. So yeah, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. I do have a couple of Negros videos now at this point, and I'm gonna be doing more. So yeah, stay tuned as I'll have more uploads, and I'll see you all in the next adventure. Bye!
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want, dressed in a gown.